Let us have a look at our programmable core winding machine developed by TDM for winding toroidal cores. First, let us familiarize with the parts of the machine in brief. The main modules of the machine are the decoiler unit, the winding unit. First, let us see the decoiler unit. The decoiler unit, as you can see, has got three arms to hold the steel roll, whose length is adjustable according to the inner diameters of the steel roll. In order to adjust the diameter to fix the steel roll, we use this lever, which is detachable. If we rotate the lever in the anti-clockwise direction, the diameter decreases, that is, the length of the arms decreases. Now, coming to the rear part of the core winding machine, we can see that here there is a pneumatic disc brake. This pneumatic disc brake which offers friction for winding, and it consists of a disc and a brake liner. We can adjust the brake using the adjustment tools which is provided over here. The operation of this brake is done using the lever, which is provided near the operator. Okay, that is it with the decoiler unit. Now, coming to the winding unit, we can see that there are two guiders. This is used to guide the steel wheel from the decoiler unit to the bobbin where the core is to be wound. We can adjust the width of the guiders according to the width of the steel wheel by changing the spacers. Now, first we have to move the steel wheel to the bobbin manually in order to start winding the core, and this is done with the help of the pinch roller and the guiders. We can see there is a gap between in the pinch roller, and the gap width could be adjusted using the screws provided above the pinch roller. Now, coming to the bobbin of the winding unit. The bobbin is used for winding the core. This bobbin decides the inner diameter of the core that is to be wound. Now, we can change the inner diameter by using the appropriate bobbin according to our requirement. Now, this bobbin, it is coupled to the gearbox, which is a ratio of 15:1, which is coupled to a 3-phase AC motor. Now, we can see that there is a variable frequency drive which controls this motor, and also we have provided a proximity sensor which helps to count the rotations. Now, coming back to the front end, we can see there is a moving plate. The moving plate, which is used to eject the core using the pneumatic system. So, in the rear end, we are provided with two pneumatic cylinders, which helps in the ejection of the core using this foot pedal over here. Now, coming to the intelligent part of our core winding system, we have got the control unit, which is placed near the operator, as you can see in the picture. The control unit is provided with the power switch, and we are also providing with an emergency stop button, which helps to stop the machine in case of emergencies. And there is a black knob which is used to control the speed of rotation. Now below that we can see there are 4 series of switches. The first switch is used to select the direction of rotation. Normally only one direction of rotation is possible, but in case of emergencies we can rewind the steel reel in the opposite direction. Now the second button is a hinging button. Now we have to press the button to start moving the steel strip initially for winding the core. Now last one is the stop button, and we also got a start button before that. Okay. Now we have provided with a display which is a blue backlit 4-line alphanumeric display, which is an interface between the operator and the machine. And below that we have provided switches which are used to program according to our requirement. The first one at the right is the reset button. So now let us see the operation of our programmable core winding machine.